Okay, you're welcome back to my channel. This is 𝗦𝗕𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘. In this particular tutorial, I'll be creating a logo design for a construction company. Okay, now it's naturally not a construction company. Okay, yeah, it's more like a construction company because they deal with into building materials, and it's also an engineering consult. So instead of the normal, I've done my sketching. Instead of a normal logo for these people that deal with building, I decided to just come up with something different. I actually saw this particular logo in my dream when I was just thinking about the concept. I just went ahead with it. Okay, so this is what I came up with first. We can leave this here. So the next thing, we'll copy this, position this one here. I wish this was Adobe Illustrator. We would have had this option of just automatically maintaining the size, the space. This one should be okay. So we have this one here. I will just bring this one to this side. I don't want to make it too much, so I will just go with this. So I'll copy this one here, then bring in this grid. Okay, come to edit, then put in this one like this. Guess you can't see it now, but when I just move it up a bit, you should be able to see it. Okay, now it's like this. That space. Now this space, I just feel now this is why when you're working with a logo, it's always good to take advantage of your grid. Just make use of everything like this. It's gonna help you very, very well. I think I will just have to make mine 40 and make this 40. Okay, now when you're working with grid, it's just good for you to pay attention to this grid line. It's really, really going to help you. Okay, this now I want to kind of gauge like the distance with my eyes. Okay, let's just use this one. Or should we make use of 50-50? Let's make use of 50. Okay, so just pay good rapt attention to. Okay, so the next one will just always be on top of those lines. So I'm just gauging this thing now with my eyes. Okay, I'm going to bring this one down a bit. Okay, so this one, copy this one, put this one here. Now the goal is just to achieve something that looks like a building. Now I'm not doing any presentation in this particular tutorial. I'm just now it's this one done. So the next thing I'll just do is come here and merge everything. Okay, so in case you just joined me for the first time, strongly recommend you subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video here on YouTube. Okay, now with this one out of the way, so this is my logo. So okay, the brand logo, brand color, has to deal with blue. So I'll be using one of the blue in Pixellab, this particular blue, this particular one. In working with logos, you definitely know want to follow. One thing as a good designer, you know, it's not actually advisable you work with the trend. The trend, I mean, what is popular, what is common, just to make your own. Maybe it is JK Engineering Consult. So that's the name of the brand, JK Engineering Consult. Now, so okay, for the font, it's actually a building company, kind of luxurious in nature. Let me use 𝗦𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘. So let me make use of it this way. So for the font, so I choose not to make use of 𝗦𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘. I'll make use of Georgia. It's actually, the brand happens to be a luxurious brand that deals with construction and looks modern to me. So I'll be making use of a serif font. So for the motto, now this, okay, so I will edit this. Okay, your destiny is a motto. Then okay, I'll make this small letters. So I will change the font to, I can actually use my favorite 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘 or 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗧𝗏𝗧𝗏. No, 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗧𝗏. Let's see if I can get like a medium. Now this is my problem with having too much like different variations of 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗧𝗏 font. Okay, so let me make use of this one. So then definitely we're gonna scale this down. We definitely have to scale this down. Okay, and we'll bring this here. Now, okay, now we have this. Now I'll just make do of this, whatever I'm having here, like this. So the next thing is just come from PNG and save. Okay, now I don't know, I just feel this logo, this happens to be too big. Okay, like the weight is too big. I try to just maintain the color. Also, the next thing I'll just have to come here. Okay, my data is on. Is go to my browser and go to Photopea.com. So I'll click on this Photopea.com. So what we'll be doing next is we'll come to here, come to open, come to this. So I'll be bringing in the logo. Damn, that's a very, very big mistake. So I'll just cancel the logo So I'll just bring in the PSD file we'll be editing. So come to this, come to 𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘. This is the mockup. Alright, so it's gonna take a while for it to load. So while it's loading, please subscribe to my channel. Lots and lots of tutorials we're dropping in. I hope my channel has actually helped your knowledge in graphic design a bit. Okay, so while it's load, you can also check my other videos. They're really going to assist you, help your skill, make you develop fast, improve your knowledge and the likes. Okay, now one of the reasons why it takes time like this, because the network is not really friendly. So the next thing is this guy here, that layer, this one I just tapped on. That's where you will tap in. This one that I'm playing about, that's where you tap. So there's tap right inside that shape. So I'll just edit this, okay, or I can delete it. I'll come here to open and place, and I'll put this one here. So I'll just come to recent. That's where I have my logo. So this is the logo I want to work in. So I can just tap on this one here. Automatically is transformed, so I can just play around it. Now what I mean by transform is that I can resize and I can adjust the size. So I'll just click on this and save smart object. Make sure you save smart object. If not, it's not going to work. Make sure you save this smart object first. Make sure, please endeavor to save the smart object. So please subscribe to my channel if you just joined me for the first time, and do well to check my other videos too. Alright, so the smart object has been saved, so I can now cancel that one, this vector. So the resources is in the description of the video. So just okay. Now why it's going to take this long is the network, and probably the server is, I don't know, but one of the problems is network, and also determines the kind of phone you're using. But this problem I'm seeing now is the network. Now the reason this resizing option is here is because of this transform is ticked on. So if it is off, I won't be able to adjust it here. So just pay attention to that. Maybe there are times you're struggling to resize. If this transform option is ticked off, you won't be able to resize. Okay, so wow, it's done. So you can thank God our resizing is still on the transform. So we can just adjust this. Really need to adjust. Now you can see there's like a mistake here, because this thing is actually separating four. So I can come to my edits. Yes. The network is actually malfunctioning. I'll just come to undo. Okay, so I can see it is quite small. So I'll just come back again. Now it's gonna take like forever again, which I don't want. Okay, just let me just make it perfect. So the best way is just to adjust it here, but if I try to adjust it here, like everything is just going to be moving just as it was moving the other time, which I would not want. It's going to be very, very bad. You can see it, everything was just moving. It's, if I was using like the PC version of it, what I would have just done is highlight everything. Once I highlight everything, I will just be able to move everything together at the same piece. So, but just here like this, I'll just come here, export as, then I'll just export as a JPEG. Okay, you can see it is even better like this. So I will just come here and save. Just ignore whatever. Alright, so this is what we just did. You can still just zoom in and just decide to cut out that part that looks unfriendly. Alright, so more or less this is all you can do, but there's another way you can actually achieve the same thing without having this mockup file. You can use this application Photopea. You're gonna see it in my check out one of my videos on how to make use of Photopea.